Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Battlefront 2 error code 721. The error reads, "Failed to connect to the EA servers. Online features will be unavailable. Please check your internet connection and try again. See ea.com/unable-to-connect for additional information." As per our research, the error occurs when players click the Connect button on the in-game main menu. We first suggest you power cycle your gaming device along with the network. Then check if the error still comes. If the error persists, make sure the game is up to date. If the game is up to date, then try verifying the game files. Once the game files are verified, run the game as an administrator and check if this resolves the error. If you are playing on GeForce Now, then try changing the GFN server you're playing on. Some players have reported that switching from one region to another helped them fix the error. If you are playing on PC, then changing tabs every time you try to reconnect may help. Some players reported success after 4-7 tries. So give this a try and see if this helps. If the error persists, then continue clicking the Connect button multiple times. Some players have reported that it may take a few or many attempts, but eventually they connect and stay connected. At last, if you have tried all the previous steps but still see the error, then this is likely a server issue on EA's side. In this case, we just have to wait for them to fix it. Also, we suggest you refer to the help.ea.com/n/help/fac/r-e-servers-down, to check the EA server status. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.